This is a discussion on the sharing of a resource. A person shared a free Auger bit offer from Bosch Tools. This is a helpful resource for those in woodworking, construction, and do-it-yourself projects. Sharing of useful resources within a community is appreciated. The hope is that content remains helpful and useful to those interested in such topics. An Auger bit is a specialized type of drill bit specifically designed for drilling deep, large diameter holes in wood. Its design and function differ significantly from standard twist drill bits or spade bits, making it essential for certain woodworking and construction tasks. The key features of an Auger bit contribute to its efficiency and effectiveness in wood drilling. Firstly, the screw point or lead screw. This is a pointed tip at the very front of the bit that initiates the drilling process and pulls the bit into the wood. The screw point eliminates the need for excessive pressure to start the hole and helps to create a clean, accurate entry. Secondly, the cutting lips or spurs, which are sharp edges located just behind the screw point that slice through the wood fibers as the bit rotates. These cutting lips create a clean, precise hole and prevent splintering or tearing of the wood. Thirdly, the flutes, which are spiral grooves running along the length of the bit that remove wood chips and shavings from the hole as it is being drilled. The flutes are crucial for preventing the bit from binding or overheating, and they ensure a smooth, efficient drilling process. Fourthly, the shank, which is the cylindrical part of the bit that is inserted into the drill chuck. The shank is typically made of hardened steel to withstand the torque and stress of drilling. Auger bits come in various types, each suited for specific applications. Firstly, solid center auger bits. These are the most common type of auger bit, featuring a solid center that provides strength and stability. Solid center bits are suitable for general purpose wood drilling. Secondly, hollow center auger bits, which have a hollow center that allows for faster chip removal and reduces the risk of binding. Hollow center bits are often used for drilling deep holes in hardwoods. Thirdly, ship auger bits, which are long, heavy-duty auger bits designed for drilling through timbers and thick planks. Ship auger bits typically have a coarse screw point and aggressive cutting lips for efficient material removal. Fourthly, self-feed auger bits, which incorporate a large screw point that pulls the bit through the wood with minimal effort from the user. Self-feed bits are ideal for drilling large diameter holes quickly and easily. Auger bits are used in a variety of woodworking and construction applications. Firstly, drilling through studs and joists, which is a common application of auger bits, is to drill holes through studs, joists, and other structural members for running electrical wiring, plumbing pipes, or HVAC ductwork. Secondly, boring mortises, which is that auger bits can be used to create mortises, which are rectangular or square holes cut into wood to receive tenons. Thirdly, creating large diameter holes, which is that auger bits are ideal for drilling large diameter holes for dowels, plugs, or other joinery elements. Fourthly, timber framing, which is that ship auger bits are specifically designed for drilling through heavy timbers in timber frame construction. When using an auger bit, it is important to follow proper techniques to ensure safety and accuracy. Firstly, select the correct bit size, which is to choose an auger bit that is the appropriate diameter for the desired hole. Secondly, use a drill with sufficient power, which is to ensure that the drill has enough torque to drive the auger bit through the wood without stalling or overheating. Thirdly, maintain a steady pressure, which is to apply consistent pressure to the drill while keeping the bit aligned with the hole. Fourthly, clear chips frequently, which is to periodically remove the bit from the hole to clear away wood chips and prevent binding. Fifthly, avoid excessive speed, which is to use a slow to moderate speed to prevent the bit from overheating or wandering. Auger bits offer several advantages over other types of drill bits for specific applications. Firstly, efficiency, which is that auger bits are designed for efficient material removal, allowing for faster drilling of deep, large diameter holes. Secondly, accuracy, which is that the screw point and cutting lips of an auger bit create clean, precise holes with minimal splintering. Thirdly, reduced binding, which is that the flutes of an auger bit effectively remove wood chips, reducing the risk of binding and overheating. Fourthly, versatility, which is that auger bits are available in various types and sizes to suit a wide range of woodworking and construction tasks. Some potential disadvantages of auger bits include cost, which is that auger bits can be more expensive than standard drill bits, especially for specialized types like ship auger bits. Secondly, size limitations, which is that auger bits are typically not suitable for drilling very small holes. Thirdly, power requirements, which is that auger bits require a drill with sufficient power to operate effectively, especially for large diameter bits or hardwoods. Fourthly, sharpening, which is that auger bits may require occasional sharpening to maintain their cutting performance. When choosing an auger bit, consider the following factors. Firstly, the type of wood, which is to select an auger bit that is appropriate for the type of wood being drilled. Hardwoods like oak and maple require bits with more aggressive cutting lips and stronger flutes. Secondly, the hole size, which is to choose an auger bit that is the correct diameter for the desired hole. Thirdly, the drilling depth, which is to select an auger bit that is long enough to drill the required depth. Fourthly, the drill compatibility, which is to ensure that the auger bit shank is compatible with the drill's chuck. Fifthly, the budget, which is to consider the cost of the auger bit and balance it against the desired features and performance. Auger bits are valuable tools for woodworkers and construction professionals who need to drill deep, large diameter holes in wood. The unique design and function offer several advantages over other types of drill bits, making them essential for specific applications. By understanding the different types of auger bits, their uses, and proper techniques, one can effectively utilize these tools to achieve precise and efficient results. This is all about the various aspects of auger bits, providing information about their design, types, applications, and advantages. The information helps in understanding their role in woodworking and construction.